Hi everybody, it's Margie from Homestead. I'm going to talk to you today about the Ultimate Window Treatment Guide. This is my favorite tool. When you make your appointment, you're going to have this opportunity to look through this guide. I show it to all of my customers. I think it's a really great way to explain the different products and prepare you for our appointment. If you're looking for inspiration, it's a great way to see our photo gallery. If you need some explanations because you're not sure what's out there, it explains everything from A to Z for your window treatment project. So when you make your appointment, you'll get an email confirmation, and in that email will be a link at the bottom where you can click on it and it will reach the Ultimate Window Treatment Guide. It will look like this. This is our cover, and it says design your home like a pro. That's what we're going to help you do. So in the first page, you're going to see this table of contents. So it's not just a list of what is in the guide, it's also a link to the specific pages. And you'll see it all broken down by category. You can shop by window treatments by room. So if, say, you're looking for the family room or the kitchen, you just click on that room and it'll take you right to a page that features kitchens. You also can search for style. So if you wanted a particular style shape window, if you have a bow window, if you have a sliding door, you can click and shop by those types of windows. You can also shop by one of our 7 types of window treatments: blinds, shades, draperies, loom shades, valance, cornices, and shutters. We have so much information to put in this guide that we can't possibly fit it, so we actually have some videos that further explain each of the topics. So for instance, if you wanted to learn a little bit more about one of our 7 types of window treatments, we could click right on here where it says the 7 types of window treatments. There's a little link at the bottom and it will take you to this YouTube video where it goes into further detail. If you're shopping for something that's specifically light filtering or room darkening, there's a section that talks about that. And also cleaning your window treatments, we talk a little bit about that. And I think something that makes this really unique is the best bang for your buck section. It's just a way to bring the cost down, and it talks about economical shades and how to make something look elaborate without the price tag. So we also have a really great section on motorization. It shows you the remote and how to use it, brings you to a little Hunter Douglas link that talks about the PowerView app and how to program your shades to move automatically. And last, if you don't have an appointment, we have a really great way to make an appointment by going to our last page, and it gives you options on how to make an appointment for your home, for in the showroom, or for virtual. You can call us, and again, you can just click these links and it takes you right to where you need to go.